Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Not Too Shabby. I'm going to share with you a process video of this cute Valentine's Slimline card showcasing some of the new items that are available at the Not2Shabby shop. So this is the stamp set that I'm using today. This is called Sprinkled with Love. I really love this stamp set, and that heart cookie thing there is one of my favorites. So that's what I'm using today. I'm also using this ephemera pack from the Valentine's craft kit and this frosted and tufted 6x6 paper pad. I will also be using one of my favorite stitch flag dies by Scrappiness. I'm not sure if this is available at Jamie's shop, but that's one of my go-to for sentiments, as well as this Slimline Portholes dies by Nook Designs. And for my shaker element, I chose some neutral colors, so I'm using the Scrappiness mirrored solid hearts and some confetti from Honeybee Stamps. So I've already stamped and colored my images here using Desert Sand Memento ink, and then I use my tri-blend markers and my classic markers from Spectrum Noir to color the images in. I didn't want this video to take too long, which is why I've already stamped and colored them. But please let me know if you guys would like to see the coloring process, and I will post another video just for the coloring of the images. So now I wanted to get rid of the white lines when it was die cut using my scan and cut. So I'm just going through and using the darkest of the markers that I used to color the images so that I can get rid of the white lines. I really took my time coloring those images, and it probably took me about half an hour to color them all in. And I really wanted those deep shadows there to make them look more realistic. So now I've already die cut the scallop slimline base there and the frame using the Newton's Nook die set. And now I'm going to use this frosted and tufted 6x6 paper pad from the Not2Shabby shop. I'm going to die cut those little squares using the same frame die from Newton's Nook, and that's what I'm going to use to put in the middle of those windows. That's probably one way to stretch your supplies, since the 6x6 is not made for a slimline card. I just wanted to use that nice tufted image from the 6x6 paper pad. So now I'm just applying some liquid glue so that I can adhere the little squares that I die cut earlier. I wanted to adhere them first so that when I apply and adhere the acetate sheet to this window frame, it's already perfectly centered on my card base there. So now I'm just going to adhere this acetate sheet, and I'm going to use some double-sided tape to adhere the acetate, and then also use some foam adhesive to create my shaker well. And for my shaker element, I wanted to use some neutral colors so that it doesn't distract from the main focal point, which is the nice little cookie, and in this instance it's like a macaroon, a French macaroon, and I wanted those neutral colors so that it will enhance the shaker card without overpowering the card itself. Next, I'm going to use my ATG gun to adhere the focal images on my card, and I thought about using some foam tape to make them stand out a little bit more, but then this is already a shaker card, so it's already a bit thick, so I decided to just adhere the images with my ATG gun, and it turned out okay. So one of my favorite die set is this Stitch Flag Dies by Scrappiness, and I've already stamped the You Bake Me Happy sentiment on the banner strip, and I sprinkled some white embossing powder and then heat set with my heating tool. I also adhered that sentiment using my ATG gun. And to finish the design, I'm going to use these two pink bows from the Ephemera pack from the Not Too Shabby Valentine craft kit. And I really think this gave it the final touch, and I really love how this card turned out. So I'm going to adhere this on a Slimline card base, which is 8.5 by 7, folded in half. And we'll use my Nuvo liquid adhesive to adhere the focal panel on my Slimline card base. I really love how this card turned out today. I thought those little bows from the Ephemera pack from the Valentine's craft kit really added the final touch to the overall card design. So this is my Slimline card today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you like this project, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below and let me know if you would like to see how I colored these images, and I will post another video. Thank you again for stopping by today, and happy crafting!